Today's bicycle update, there's my bicycle. The layback bar started to lay back further and further and further until it laid back so far that I had to replace it with the original seat post. And of course I got one of these things for in case I electrify. This will hold the battery. And behind it is my roommate's bike. And my bike is about 50 years old, and you can see that my bike has this suspension system on the back that is in a newer model. I guess it's 30 years old. Has a completely different spot the suspension is at. And then on the front, my bike has a double shock suspension, and my roommate's bike has a larger shock that goes all the way up. Kind of tougher for it could do better jumps, bunny hop better. And that's pretty much the update on my 50-year-old bike. The Vertical Bike Company eventually sold the full suspension frame idea to Next Bikes of China. I've had a couple Next bikes, and but my wife has had this Vertical for she's 40 years or so, and she gave it to me, and it's been my friend since. It's been a family heirloom, a pretty important bike. And of course my roommate, I'm impressed with him, got a bike just kind of like it, except for the way newer models. So that is today's bicycle upgrade report. 3 minutes long, regular video. It's gonna be good.